What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here, OregonCarSource.com, coming at you with another video about another 2023. This is one of our first 2023 Tundras. It's a crewmax sr5 model in magnetic gray. This one is available for sale. We're gonna walk around to the sticker, and being here in Portland, Oregon, this isn't a big surprise to me that it's sitting available for sale. This is a 2023 Tundra 4x2, so two-wheel drive, SR5 crewmax with the 5.5 foot bed. Basically no additional options, just has the all-weather floor mats, coming in a total MSRP of $46,494. Beautiful truck, and if you don't need four-wheel drive, this might be the truck for you. Great price point on it, below 50 grand for a brand new 2023 Tundra. So we've got these nice 18-inch alloy wheels. We are all coming with the sheet molded composite bed now, just like the Tacoma has since 2005. Nice exhaust for that twin turbo V6 engine. Full tow package. Not quite sure of tow capacity on this, to be honest with you, but I believe it's over 10,000. Got a bed rail system as well for moving tie downs. Of course, we're gonna have that easy fall bed as well. Beautiful truck. LED headlights up front and LED fog lights. Has the Toyota safety sense. This is your radar sensor there. Of course, you've got the lane departure warning camera mounted to the windshield. Gonna have advanced keyless entry, all your power options, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Does have a manual driver's seat, but we do have push button start, of course. Over here you got bed light, auto high beams, auto start stop feature off, adjusted brightness to your dash lights. This is a unique dial here. This adjusts the angle of your LED headlights, so you're not blinding people. Make sure you got the right vision on the road. Auto headlights here. Inner ring, there's your fog lights. I like these new controls you got here. I thought this was neat. So these left-hand toggles will give you different information in this display. And this is a display I haven't seen before. It's got your trailer brake output on there. You can select different trailers that you might want to back up and things like that. So that's a new feature, as well as this pitch and roll on a two-wheel drive. Normally you just see a feature like this on our TRD off-road Tacomas. But yeah, some neat stuff there. Direct tire pressure monitors as well. And then of course your music, navigation, and eco info is there. You're gonna have Bluetooth for your cell phone, of course, as well as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and more. You got the Toyota safety sense, so your adaptive cruise control is here. Your lane departure warning is there. We've got drive modes down here. Sport, normal, and eco, as well as a tow haul mode. 10-speed automatic transmission with ability to manually shift as well. Of course, we're gonna have backup camera. Electronic parking brake with auto hold. We've got auto climate control. There's your USB port for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Extra fast charging USBs in this humongous center console. Really nice cloth interior on this SR5 model. Gotta love the crewmax for that roll down rear window. Nobody else has got that. Pretty cool feature. Let's check out the back seat real quick. Seats now fold up with lots of storage below. Also new So you couldn't do this on the previous models. You can fold the seat back down as well. In the vehicle, huge back seat in the crewmax, almost limo-like. Cup holders here. You even got vents. Beautiful truck. Like I said, it is for sale. If you're in the market for a new Tundra 2-wheel drive, whether you're in the Portland area or not, I would love to help you out with it. Inventory does continue to be a bit low, so on most new Toyota models, I'm limited to just customers here in the local Portland market for now. But this particular truck, if you're in need, I'm sure we'd be willing to sell it to you, just because the 2-wheel drives here in Portland, Oregon do tend to sit for a little while. Most people around these parts are only looking for 4-wheel drive trucks. Give me a call, send me a text message, 503-875-5938, or you can also hit me up through my website, OregonCarSource.com. Subscribe to the channel. Hope you liked the video, and yeah, if you subscribe to the channel, I'll be putting out more content anytime I've got an available new Toyota right now, since they're hard to get. Have a great day.